evening everyone. This video on reported speech is especially for the students of 9 and 10. Students, as we have formulas, we have rules in maths, physics, chemistry. Likewise, we have rules to learn English grammar topics as well. The first English grammar topic I have taken is reported speech, and I am going to teach you how to learn the basic rules of reported speech. Now, since I have already mentioned that this video is especially for the students of 9 and 10, I am not going to go into this changes into that, or here changes into there, or inverted commas are removed and that is used. No, I am basically focusing on the tense which is going to be used. One tense is changed into another, and I'm going to focus on that. Okay, now the first basic rule, like we say na, simple present changes into simple past and simple past changes into past perfect. So इसके अलावा apart from this, in one basic line I'm going to explain you this rule. Remember it. This is the first step, you have to learn it. In a sentence, if there is or am or are, so this changes into was or were, and if in a sentence there is was or were, it changes into had been. This is the first rule you have to learn. So I have put into steps with arrow. I have explained you this rule. First rule, if there is or am or are in a sentence, it changes into was or were, and if was or were is in a sentence, it changes into had been. First rule bata diya. Instead of saying simple present changes into past, past changes into past perfect, I have put it into one basic step. Now look at the example. He said to his friend, "It is my book." It is my book. So according to the rule, if is है या am है या are है sentence में, ये change हो जाएगा was या were में. It depends upon the subject. अब we have is and it. So according to the rule, is will change into was. तो आंसर क्या हुआ इसका? He told his friend that it was my book. So I have changed is into was. मेरे आंसर में was आ गया. Now let's see if was in the question. अगर was है question में तो he said to his friend, "It was my book." Now this is the question. According to the rule, अगर was है या were है, it will change into had been. तो हम इसको change करेंगे. He told his friend that it had been my book. So this is the rule I have explained you today. कि अगर is है sentence में, उसको was में change कर दो. अगर was है sentence में, तो उसको had been में change कर दो. That is the first basic step, जिसको मैंने बहुत easily I have explained you in a form of graph, in a form of flow chart, precisely as we say in science. Flow chart की form में I have explained you this. Example, I have given you very easy example. It is my book. It gets changed into it was my book. It was my book sentence hai, it will change into it had been my book. So remember this, learn this. With more examples, I will come in my next video and I will share it soon.